Hi guys, today we're going to make an easy and delicious dish, chicken Alfredo pasta. I have chicken breast here and I have penne pasta that I have on hand. Normally people use fettuccine pasta, but today I'm going to use what we have on hand, vegetable base, and it's full of fiber. Alright, let's get started! Let's check after 8 minutes. Oh, it's wonderful. Has the right amount of Alfredo sauce. Okay, let's do the taste test. Here we go. Wow, I am so happy. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, you guys, and God bless. If you like this video, please like and subscribe or share with your friends and family. Thank you so much. I will see you soon. Paalam!